guys, welcome to the Saturday of the long productive weekend in my life. Monday is MLK Day, so we don't have school on Monday, so I thought this 3-day weekend would be a perfect time to just get productive, get everything organized, and just be an overall good human. So today I actually woke up late at 12:30, which isn't that productive, but I really did need the sleep, so I guess that's good. And then I am going to make some coffee. I'm gonna clean up my room just so I have a nice clean space to be productive over the weekend. So let's just get started with our productive Saturday, guys. So making your bed is a great way to just start off the day well and just feel like a productive person in general. So I try to do that every day. Some days I definitely don't get to it if I have early classes, but I try to do that every day just because it makes me feel like a more productive person. I definitely heard that somewhere in some inspiring speech, and it just made me feel amazing about making my bed in the morning. By the end of the week, my desk is pretty cluttered just because I'm busy with classes. Cluttered room equals like cluttered mind. So this isn't gonna be tough to clean up. It's just like a small, simple step I'm gonna make in just trying to have a clear space and a clear headspace for the weekend. So I'm just gonna clean up my desk a little, and then more of the deep cleaning is probably gonna come later this weekend because I have a lot of small things to do today, like plan YouTube videos. I need to study a little, and the desk is just gonna be an integral part in my productive weekend. Okay guys, so I have my desk and my bed clean. I'm just gonna start writing out a list of just some goals that I want to get done over the weekend. When everything's in your head, it can seem like a lot, but if you get it all down on paper, then it doesn't seem as intimidating usually, or as much as you thought it was. So I'm just gonna set some goals and just decide what I want to get done this weekend. I might not get all of it done, but it's just a good way to get organized and just decide what your priorities are. So I'm gonna get started on that. Okay guys, so it's been a little while since I updated you. I had to put this on because I'm super cold. It's dark out already, but it's not even that late because it just gets dark so early here in the winter. So I made my lunch, I studied a little, and then I didn't get a chance to film any of that studying because I knew I was gonna be studying tonight, so I just focused on getting all that organized. And now we're gonna go study at the clubhouse. Studious. Oh, fuck, don't do that. Wait, ready? It'll be quiet. Yeah. We'll just... Stretch, baby. No, don't do it. Do it again.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Are you frowning on purpose? Okay guys, so I didn't stay at the clubhouse for very long because I really didn't feel too well. I still really don't. I feel super exhausted and I have a headache. I've had a small headache all day, and I'm gonna clean out my backpack. I don't know about you guys, but the further the year goes on, the more random things I get in my backpack that I don't need. So I'm just gonna put a collection of things next to me that I can take out of my backpack and just put away because I really probably don't need them in there. So hopefully my backpack will be a little lighter and it won't be as heavy to carry around. Okay guys, so this is the extra stuff. I have this journal, but I really don't need it on a daily basis. If I journal at night. I have this binder that I only need on Fridays, so I really don't need that in there right now. I have just some trash, random paint, change, eye clicker. So honestly, backpack's still heavy, but I did get some trash out of it and just like cleaned up the little pockets, which bug me the most when they're completely full. Okay guys, I was feeling pretty sick and I feel a little better, but it's like pretty late now, so I'm gonna go to bed at a pretty decent time for the weekend so I can hopefully wake up earlier tomorrow. I love you guys. Sleep well. Well, I'll sleep well. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is Sunday. Hey guys, so it's Sunday, day 2 of the 3-day weekend. So yesterday I really just generally, I don't know how much I conveyed it, but I just did not feel very well at all. That just put me off a little and made it really hard to even just sit down and like study. I did get some studying done intermittently, but I'm glad I got to show you guys just like what some beginning of the day like productivity and self-care looks like. I'm already feeling better than I did yesterday. I got up at an earlier time today and I'm starting off my day with a glass of water because yesterday I definitely did not drink enough water and I think that just perpetuated the crappiness that I felt. Soon I'm going to be going to the women's rally on the Michigan State campus. So that's going to start at the Union and it's going to be a women's march and then there's going to be a rally at the end. And I'm excited to see how that plays out. I'm meeting my friend Maddie there, and I'm just really excited to just get out of the house. And I just hope that this event is just what I imagine it to be, just really inclusive and empowering. And I think it'll just be a really good like vibe to have to carry throughout the rest of the week. So I'm gonna finish my glass of water and just get dressed and ready for the women's march. I'm just really excited for this, guys, and I'm excited to bring you guys along with me. So let's just get ready. I'll show you guys my outfit in a minute. Okay, so this is going to be my outfit. I'm going to be wearing these distressed jeans. This shirt, it's really wrinkly because it was put away because it's usually a summer shirt, but I took it back out. I don't really mind that it's wrinkly. And then I'm going to be wearing this hat and then obviously coat over this because it's really cold and snowy outside. My room is still pretty clean. These distressed jeans are from Forever 21. This shirt is from Shop Rose, which is just some random indie site. And then this hat is from, I think, Topshop. I got it on sale a while ago. And I really like it. So we went to the Women's March. It was a really cool experience. I had wanted to go last year and the year before, but I never got a chance to. I didn't like have a means of getting there, and this time it was on campus, like this one. So it was really exciting to just like see what it was about and just see so many people collectively believing in the same thing. Maddie went with me. I was really nervous about going by myself, which is like stupid, but I get really nervous about stupid things like that. And Maddie went with me, which was so sweet of her. And now we're back at her dorm warming up. And I have to show you guys her dorm. It's so cute. I think it really stuck during that. Oh my god, your guys' room is just so cute. Thanks. I mean, like, dorms are really hard, so kudos to you. Like, they're really hard to decorate well. She has, like, the Valentine's Day stuff.
Aww, look how cute they
get. That's so cute.
My mom will guarantee put these in our room.
That's so cute.
My mom asked me when she came if I turned these on, and I was like, no. She was like, oh, that's disappointing.
No, it looks really good.
It's so calming that night with my little lamp.
Okay guys, so I went home from Maddie's dorm and just changed into some comfy studying clothes, and I'm gonna go study with her and Snyder. I have a lot to do. I seriously look like I'm dying. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm whispering because we're in a study space and there's other people down here, but we moved where we studied, so I'm going to show you the new place we're studying. Maddie and I are having like midlife crises right now, or quarter life crises. Not fun. We're going to study for probably a lot longer. Oh my god. We're not getting anything done.
No.
No, I don't.
You do.
You look better.
Thanks. That's
I
nice.
love you.
I love you too. I'm taking a picture of it.
Oh my god. When we get to the laughing fits, we know that studying is
Oh,
done.
it's done. It's been done.
Hey guys, it's Sunday, or no, it's Monday. Ooh, I almost fell over. I have an appointment to go to, so I had to get up at 8. Oh my god, I can't get a Keurig pod. So I'm really tired because I couldn't fall asleep. I drank coffee too late. I have an appointment to go to. It's negative 10 degrees outside. Negative 10. I'm going to die. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's supposed to be 40 on Wednesday, negative 10 today. Don't think I could be more bundled up. I'm wearing like 3 layers. So while I'm making breakfast, I just wanted to update you guys about like what's going on. Today is Monday, but it's the third day of the 3-day weekend because today is MLK Day. I'm making breakfast. I have a cinnamon raisin bagel thin, and I'm just making this for like a late breakfast. Yeah, walking to the appointment in negative 10 degree weather was not my favorite thing I've ever done, and I'm doing pretty good now. I'm still super, super cold. I'm studying on the couch with a heated blanket. And I really don't have much planned for today. I have polo tonight at 5:45 I leave. So I will try to take you guys along with me to polo. But it is, as you saw, like it's super hard to film at polo just because you need to spend all your time making sure that the horses are good and you tack them up correctly. I'm really excited for polo. Last week I was so freaking sore that I could barely walk for like 2 days. It hurt so bad to walk. So I think this week will be better because last week it had been like 5 weeks since we had ridden. Or at least since I had because of break. Okay guys, so I finished studying and cleaning my room and I had lunch, a little bit of a late lunch, and now I'm leaving for polo in like 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna go and get dressed for polo and get ready. Oh my gosh. This is so entertaining. Hey guys, I just got back from polo and it was so much fun. I'm so glad that I got some videos for you guys. Shout out to McKenna for getting those videos for me. I'm really glad that I ended up getting videos because last time I didn't get any. This has been a really fun vlog. I'm going to fold my laundry and study tonight and I would show you guys, but honestly, I've studied so much and there's probably already a ton of footage of me studying in here. It's probably the majority of the video because that's mostly what I did this weekend, with a little bit of cleaning too. I'm not sure if this is going to be long or not, but it's probably going to be a little boring. And I really just want to say, if you guys are still watching, I really appreciate you. If you made it to the end of the video, comment down below. I want to thank you guys for watching and supporting me. I had the best time at polo. Great way to start the week. And I think that this was overall a really productive weekend. So I'm glad I ended it off on a really great note. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being a part of the Caitlin Films family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.